I'm gonna go inside car wash, so it's gonna be real awesome.
Me
And
too.
I'm gonna go with this young lady named Audio.
I'm your cousin.
Well, I saw that.
That's the car wash.
Car wash. That's the car wash.
근데 지금은 잘못 보니까 좀 나오더라고.
That's the mirror. And this is my car.
Doesn't it look fun?
Doesn't it look fun? That guy is gonna spray our car. Yellow shirt too. I don't know his name, but
He's telling us to go in.
he's telling us to come in. He's gonna spray our
Look
car.
at
Look at that.
car wash.
뉴트럴이구나. NEUTRL.
It looks like that from Texas. See, look. This is a car wash.
Car wash. Oh no, it's getting blurry. Car wash.
Wow, look.
Look at all the soap.
Look at all the spaghetti.
Oh look. No, that's the spaghetti. That's the carpet.
That's the tornado.
That's the carpet. That's. Hi. The window, as you can see, the window's very cold. That thing is really loud. That thing is really loud. That's what I just said. Wow, it's really loud. Can you hear me?
I love this part. Oh, look at that. It's raining.
Look, it's raining. Raining, it's pouring. Sa-ma-ma-da-sa. Oh, God. It's the
Wind machine.
It's the wind machine.
각도가 안 맞으면 어떡해? 이 유리 각도가 안 맞으면
Okay, that's the end of our show.